Hi everyone, Trader Joe's Friday favorites. We have deli sandwich potato chips. They are kettle cooked potato chips seasoned with the flavors of the deli. I already cut them open and it smells like a deli in here. Oh, okay. Deli chips, so they're not baked, they're probably fried. I didn't even read the ingredients. I mean, come on, they're not healthy. Oh, but look how beautiful they are. Oh, and they smell so good. They have like a dill pickle taste. Oh, these are good. Oh, these would be great with a hamburger. Okay, that's not really deli. Okay, so a turkey sandwich with provolone and some alfalfa sprouts. Oh. Or a barbecue sandwich. Yeah. Go get yourself some. They were $2.99. They're a great price. Deli sandwich potato chips. For the win.